So now we will discuss about web page. A web page is an hypertext document that provides an UI to interact with the resources in website. So the web page are classified into two types, mainly static page and a dynamic page. Static page is nothing but it is a predefined page with only content that provide a information across various requests. The the request will not go to any server side or any database servers. They just provide only information or content. Dynamic page can generate a customized response for every client request. So these pages are compiled and processed by server every time. So for example, static pages will be having only HTML mainly, and dynamic page will be having like ASP, .jsp and .py. Yeah, static page. So we have discussed just now the static pages that are predefined with content and provide a constant information across various requests. They just provide only information, nothing more than that. Mostly static pages will be like college websites or any university information related. They just provide only information. Those are called static pages. Yeah, for example. And dynamic pages, the pages that can generate a customized response for every client request are known as dynamic pages. These pages are compiled and processed by server every time when requested by client. Dynamic pages are nothing but whatever the applications like ticket booking, any form submissions, any banking applications, those are called dynamic. Those will be having dynamic pages like .asp, .php, .jsp. Those are.